Reading an interesting book is ordinary. Writing an interesting book is extraordinary. Reading interesting books, imbibing knowledge, and putting them into practice is what most self-starters do. Some people proactively go a little extra, gather their knowledge from the years of experience, and then write an interesting book or even several of them. Silicon Valley-based serial entrepreneur, author, and speaker Rajesh Sethi started reading books when he was 5. He read Kannada books like Chandamama, Bombe Mane, Balamitra, and Putani. His interest turned into fascination due to the fantastic stories that he read. After some time, reading became his obsession. He had to get his hands on the Kannada periodicals like Prajamata, Sudha, and other books before his brother did. A few years later, he started reading the famous 5 and Secret 7 series of novels. By the time he was 9, he had read more than 100 books and graduated to Earl Stanley Gardner's and Perry Mason's courtroom dramas. He would even skip meals to finish reading books. Such was his interest. The local library would lend him only 2 books at a time. He would read the books walking home, many times turning around to borrow 2 more, only to finish them before he reached home. While reading spy thrillers, he would use his imagination, guess the ending, and determine if the ending matches his imagination. He soon started using his imagination to write. He finished his first novel in 6 months, but publishing took time. 3 years and 150 rejections later, his first novel, Mr. X Killer, was published by Chetana Book House, Mysore, when he was 13 years of age. Good grades kept his parents happy and gave him a free hand at home to creative pursuits. He tried his hand in journalism, breaking news to the public in a Kannada evening daily. Meanwhile, he managed to publish Agent Avinash, a spy thriller, and Bandalikegalu, Parasites, his collection of poems. His early success came because he found mentors. He finished engineering and earned many friends that he could collaborate with even today. His first attempt at starting a venture after engineering failed. After 2 years as a consultant with a financial software company, he joined the next company where the opportunity to head a division as a general manager in Malaysia. He presented a 2-year plan after reading about the business of computing, technology management, and business process re-engineering. He got support from the CEO to innovate and take risks. Then came the opportunity to move to Silicon Valley. He joined a company as a programmer, but he took up a documentation project that no one wanted, giving him the learning about CRM implementation. He made a big impression on his client HP, allowing him to lead and manage projects. He then again tried a startup along with 4 others. He started Certified Talent with an objective to authenticate and present technical talent to companies. However, due to circumstances, they pivoted to providing open source solutions, renaming the company as Signex. Soon, he started writing a blog on his website as a support to write his first non-fiction book, Beyond Code, and he then published his wisdom on napkin sides. After his first entrepreneurial success, he went on to establish and get involved in many startups. A little extra result of all this is that Rajesh acquired a lot of experience in building startups that he has published in The Dirty Dozen, Upbeat, and several other interesting books. The latest book in Rajesh Sethi's portfolio is 6 Foot World that he wrote as a guide for businesses impacted due to the COVID-19 pandemic to reinvent themselves. Reading an interesting book is ordinary. Writing an interesting book is extraordinary.